The annual 4-H STEM Challenge started in 2008 and it reaches 350,000 youth worldwide. And it introduces STEM concepts that are easily relatable and accessible and fun to youth. Key world concepts that scientists are researching and addressing.
We focus mostly on out-of-school time in activities and adventures with kids, getting them at the end of the school day or on Saturdays with their friends or even their families to bring cutting-edge science from what's going on here at Rutgers to broader audiences.
The STEM Challenge theme this year started out as green innovation, and we decided to make it blue innovation. We wanted to be able to talk about environmental topics like climate change, but bring an innovative kind of happy twist to it. We didn't want to just talk about what's wrong, but how we can fix it and how we can learn about it. And we can do that by learning more about the ocean, and we do that with our gliders.
They're manufactured by a company called Teledyne Web Research. And so Rutgers has been partnering with this group since the early 2000s and using these robots in the real world. And so now they're partnering with them again for the STEM Challenge to kind of build this smaller scale version of the robots to kind of expand the technology now into the younger generations of our STEM leaders.
The role of Rutgers in the STEM Challenge is really to bring the important and cutting-edge research that's going on in our universities to the public, and we focus obviously on kids. The STEM Challenge itself is really focused on kids from 8 to 14 years old. So the idea is to bring cutting-edge science to them and open up the world of STEM to them.
We have a bunch of marine scientists, and we wanted them to really participate in this year's STEM Challenge so that it felt real, and it's not just some activities that relate to science, but activities that are real science, and it's all based on what our scientists get to do here every day.
The planet is covered by more than 70% ocean, and 50% of the air we breathe actually is from the ocean. A lot of people don't know that. So it really doesn't matter where you live in the world, we are connected to the ocean. And essentially the ocean is the heart of the planet, and that's actually one of the ocean literacy principles.
The Explorers of the Deep STEM Challenge really focuses on helping kids develop their critical thinking skills, and more importantly, helping them think about how we can mitigate the impacts of climate change, being more resilient and more adaptive communities, and learning how science can help translate that into action.